Hi everybody, this is Francine Warren here in the Sunshine State of Florida, and it's been a while since I've done a video, so I'm going to start. I've already prepped my canvas with the Artist Loft white paint, so it's ready to go. And I'm using today Amsterdam, wait, I have to put my glasses on, I can't see a thing, Amsterdam greenish blue, and it's 1 to 2, 1 part paint to 2 part Floetrol with water to your needs. And so here's my paint, my blue paint, I love it. And I'm using Deco Art Metallic Champagne with Floetrol, again with water to your needs. So this is, it's very fluid. And I also have here some golden iridescent silver in case I want to add some color to the paint. And this I pour straight on if I decide to do that. I also have white satin enamel Deco Art, 1 part paint to 2 part Floetrol, and adding a bit of water. This is not for my base, this is just in case I want to add a little something to my painting. So I'm going to start. So my base coat is the Dwight Pours base coat, and we're gonna give it a try. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it works out. So my painting is 12 by 36, and what I wanna do is I wanna do going this way. So because this won't fit on my table in any other direction, I'm gonna have to work like that. And I have it level. That's one thing you need to make sure everything is leveled. So here we go. Let's see how I do with the those beautiful cells that Dwight has. Okay, I need plenty of paint. So let's see here. I gotta sit down because, you know, so I don't know if you can see, but right now I'm just moving the paint around a little bit so that when I pour my color, okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, so here goes the color. I love this blue. I'm a blue girl. So I'm gonna start down here. Oh my gosh, lots of cells already. Okay, let me move it around. I hope you can see this. This is so beautiful already. I love this color. You have to stretch your paint to get what you want. I'm spoiled because I just love blue. I love it, especially this blue. It's just so stunning and rich. And what I found was that I definitely have to stretch my paint. I've been leaving too much paint on the top, and so the cells don't occur in the middle, just on the outside. And I want to get some more movement going around, so it's important to try not to put so much paint in the middle. And of course, I always put too much paint. So, so let me move this around and see what I can get here. Oh, I love this. Just love it. So, wow. Yeah, it's already starting. Oh, I love it. I think I need a little bit more up here because I'm going to lose it. There. So Let me see what I can do here. I grab the underneath, if I can, of the canvas. It helps me have a little bit more control. I don't know if you can see it already, but I'm excited. I don't know what it is. I never like to put gloves on. I love the feel of paint. And of course, it makes a huge mess. You see, already it's diminishing. So I have to bring this back. I'm not sure what's going to happen. So don't be afraid of your paint. Nothing can really happen. It will enhance your artwork. I like mine very abstract. So I'm not sure what you may call this, but it's kind of my style. And just like to add a little touch to everything. You know, artists, how they are. We always have to do a little bit more, and then bam, we've done too much. So let me see how this works. This is the beautiful blue. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. People don't realize how difficult it is to do this kind of painting. You have to plan, you have to make your paint, you have to make sure your paint is all balanced and that your art is balanced, and hopefully you should think about it a little bit. I dream every night about painting. I'm not kidding. Every single night I'm thinking about painting. I'm painting in my sleep. I wake up thinking about painting. If I could, I would be out here every minute of the day. But it's not possible. I have wifely responsibility, and so I have those things to do. Anyways, look how beautiful it's coming out. It's coming out really nice. And the cells are coming and popping, and I love it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of silver. I think this is something that gold does not work with this. Even though I love gold, the champagne gold, I love it. I think it would take away from the art. And that's what this is, it's art. So I'm going to add, I'm going to wait a little bit, and then I'll add a little bit of the straight on of the iridescent silver from Golden. So now I'm going to use my my brand new torch. I have two. I thought the other one died, and luckily I always have one extra on hand. So let's see what we can get out of here, huh? Torch, torch, torch. The first day I tried this torch, I had a big, huge flame. I had it on too high. So it was lots of fire. So, okay, so see, these little things aren't happening as much as I would like them to be. So I'm going to add more. I want them to look like just little droplets. And so, of course, it shrinks. Once you put them in there on your art, it kind of sinks. And always think of your painting as art, because that's what it is. It's art. And there's no such thing as bad art. Everybody has their own idea of what it should be. And just enjoy. I'm going to tell you 1,000 times, love your paint. Don't be afraid. And what can happen? Nothing. You can always swipe it. that's always a thing to do. If you make a mess and you don't know what to do, you swipe it, and that will give you a whole different texture on your painting. But the only thing is with me is that I am very, very sensitive to the humidity, and I live in Florida. So what does that tell you? So I'm always sweating. So no matter what I do with my hair in the morning, it looks like this. So I'm sorry for my appearance. And of course I'm wearing my paint outfit. I have many t-shirts with paint. So you know what? I think I'm done. I'm just going to torch it a little bit more, and I think I'm done. So I love it. Oh my gosh. Isn't it exciting when you find something, you do something, and it's just almost exactly what you wanted? It's so exciting. I love it. Of course, now I'm outgrowing my house, and my little studio here is in the garage. But I love it, and it's my, I guess they call it she shed. But this is my she garage. I get half of it. And believe me, I'm right at the DMZ line. So I'm using every part of it. And my husband is extremely supportive. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your art. Let your creativity just flow. Absolutely flow. Don't be afraid. Like, you know, I just thought at the last minute, oh, I want to put little dots in here. And I'm not sure what's going to happen to them because they may sink. But I just love it. I think it looks like little cells, you know, like little veins, little blue veins. And they're just exploding. And they just look great. I just love it. And I may even put a little bit of white someplace if I have too much blue, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like everything is looking great. So this is adieu. This is it for this painting. And I'll be coming back on a regular basis. I have someone that I'm very excited is building me a website. So when you look at my video, please push like and subscribe to my channel. And I would really love it. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. And thank you very much for watching me. And hopefully you've enjoyed my video and it's been helpful. So this was really easy, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.